Subzonal Chairman, tai orojot to manja phainai chini employees, tai TWF rokna. First of all, open sanai, ang asuk owner deserve khaya, norok je ano gate ni chime hai welcome khaimani, norok ni time frame rumani bising se ang sopai maya ko, kuno ekta karoni sopai malia na, hai kono asuk ke je welcoming obang deserve kaya ni chongo karon all ani 5 years ni tenure obo beginning siko intern period chikon mistake ni mano ambagi no sanai jebro ang good MLA ba better MLA ni man apruno ro kanam tike welcome khadi next jekono program rokun khangkai ordinary borokla jeke welcome khai amti khano welcome khai dine amnom khani obno kaisa request contribution busit gobang tai busit kotor oba express khaimia TF ni contribution jebongi ideation TF je suggestion rimani ba brotherhood organization ngai federation ngai je Tipramo thano support themani obo pura Tripura saimano whole ADC area so joto borok tongnai joto publics tongnai borok joto no saimano busuk khai contribution kheke nun kaisa employee ngai kaisa biggest party je pura whole country no rule khai a rule khinai party no sen Kiri anggai, bravery punugai, kaisa federation khawai, ahai ke support khaiman hunggai, jeng tabuk ese tiprasa orang sijago, jeng busuk united, jeng kemuni tola tongani bokogya, they are also not superior, we are also not inferior. Borok di desa than, sini bahasa than. Title are second class citizen in Mano, but we are the first of the state. Ambagi chunkibo kiriya, tai norok no paipai hambai norok ni bravery amti ke suruma bagai. All opportunity no manui, being the youngest MLA in the state, in the house, all opportunity no manui, ambo kaisa step nana ni bagai practice theken. A step ngai few weeks ago, as a social media post again, that through any leaders, respected presidents, district president, bongi yang kaisa message reka, je norok ni top 3 issues, norok ni village panchayat, bab para kami wo, tamotong ano rohdi, banorok ano return redi, norok believe regla, more than 250 questions, issues, concerns, and Europe within 7 hours. Nge chongwe na je chungko se deprived. Or deprivation no bahike overcome khane ba. Being an opposition party. Pia tabuk cheng opposition na achuk phano Treasury bench or jara achubi cox hanai, jara ministry of tongai or government of tongai. Borok ni kanile demand khina ni ani power tongo. Angkuno dino borok no back khegla, borok ni yakmo kun din kalaigla. Chini man khino chini tiprasani je man khino with due respect borok suno runang thung a demand khine. Angkuno dino je supono nangthung ang sekang constituency wo buije rokmani abang physically visit khina na. Mia first day, 1st April, Mia visit Khaimani, Koirampara, tai kaisa Rotha Kumar Para. Or duita para, more than 100 families tongo. More than 100 families tongo se current kare. Duita borni joton kangge Khaimani, Sorao thangai, kuwa khorja. Social media raise kya? tai concern department no rohkan norok sawo yojanas schemes tui phegan ni ngi norla schemes se kering norok bahkan number punu reply mana to tongku asa thayo reply nai salsa visit khema baise asukir concern asukir nugi ugai whole district whole state of tamongui tongna a picture kisa clear phunna musmu borok ni demand kunu ya me public be malemani na job sano na borok kunu sano borok ni sanman se chungat dui kisa ব্যবস্থা khair di current ব্যবস্থা khair di the citizen of India ngai abo first class citizen o yojana o schemes rok chini ore apply sing ya bugai chung tangi chin pharanti se tongnai ba angle pharanti sanai ang opposition bench of na achukun treasury bench of na achukun ani bagai abo matter khaya chini tiprasani je demands abo with respect chungno runang thum aw sani kasun na harmu norok je tini haike felicitate haike ano obuni pura credit first of all amboa grano dinai abuni pore 48 कर्मचारी जो तो पब्लिक तंगनाय अनुभव dinai ria जो तो न खबिनो o credit dinam suman karon ang jodi tini elected ni khaya hagai inside stories sigla khamu kobang ma employees or no tax khaka borok saka chini identity buagrani thani serengka or 2-3 years bowai tongai take samse norok nije allowance pay by increments jotono je employees tongnai either state or TTADC borok jese contribution sarkar ni upor tong borok jese employees ni borok respect mani tong or same respect norok TTADC ba or state different tongi tongna same no deserve khayo or 12% allowance by increments oko TTADC ni through assembly wo house of this hana lingkha chini daitto tai on next session of this hana buno karanai chini question ro reject phan ongi thangmanu reference period reserve chungno calling attention reserve je session follow khane korok to chaimanu thik am haike no khanai session no sung gobangma borok ni no question admit khajaglia ani bu question kobangma tongmani points tongmani reference period of rakha calling attention of rakha ani first question tongmani je public concern rohmani ano apna compilation khaimani pore major issues ka road connectivity type 2 third fourth fifth aro se tai on concerns pai dia apnote ang road connectivity ni questions raise khaiga abo admitting liya tuini khaiga abo bo admitting liya apni pore education ni विद्याज्योति आंजे सीमानि मते धलाई डिस्ट्रिक्ट of दुईटा being the most backward district India ni 250 ranking of tongo धलाई district अब चिनी proud feel खनानि कोग्या we are the most backward citizen India ni बिसिंग 250 number चलो चिनी वो दायित्व tongo जे अब्रक फरंती सना बबे akhoran ki sana bagi no angani question mention khaiga education asuk no important chini bagai hingkai tangi chini schools TTADC schools ba secondary higher secondary upgrading ya tako quality teachers tangi rohoya Sini higher secondary wo science komino o issues rokno ang tabo compile khai tongo. Kabangma issues tongo which needs immediate intervention. Baksa tongo long term strategic plan nangnai. But o plan no execution khainai o 5 years ni tenure ro ang busuk jora khaimanai abang saimia. But ani pore je nai ba state government by je link kaham tongnai ba state government no je representative tongnai ro ani pore borok khainai hiya sa thayo o jagawa 5 years ni tenure ro norogni guidance norogni assurance norogni ideation by no angani 5 years buskangwa gubitalang thana musu asuk kok saino jotona khambai